Hello, everyone. It's Dwight. So this is just a little update, and so what I've done lately, a few days ago, I picked up from work liquid tape, electrical tape. So it stinks. It's water based, but it stinks. So, so you guys can see what I've done. I'll pull out the control panel. And it's getting there. It's getting there. Still have to secure some of the wires and all that. So you probably see, lift this up slightly, moving in, and you can see where, let's see, I have put some of the liquid tape where all the bare wires are. There's a lot of bare wires in here. So, here there's bare wires. This tape right here has to be removed, cut off, but there is the liquid tape in there too. Most of these connectors in here, like the wires are connected to the switches. Way in the back here, put a lot of the tape. And I found a wire over here at one of the switches, way down over here, that the solder joint let go, so I have to set up the solder and then use the liquid tape. I'll be doing that in a few minutes, so stay tuned. Okay, so get in the chair here. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Yeah, it looks like you can. The soldering gun is heating up. We got the flex, a little bit of flex on the wires. I did spin them together. So let's see if we can. Yeah, whereabouts is that? So let's go a little closer. Don't mind the bump, 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 bump. There it is. Move those out of the way. So there we go. There we go. And okay, go a little bit there. Do that. Okay. I haven't done anything with this soldering iron in probably a couple weeks. I think we need to do a major cleaning on it. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see how that cools off. Turn off the soldering gun, iron, and so yeah, like if you see, put the liquid tape on there. Some of the switches here. Some of these I'm going to have to take another look at and make sure that there's enough coverage on the connectors, the bare spots, and then we're going to be cleaning them up, zip tying everything down so it's totally out of the way, and I like always doing the spinning the wire, makes it look nice. I am wasting some wire. I should just shorten those anyway, but yeah, I like the look of it. So yeah, we have let's see if we could get the camera back a bit. And we can see what I've been doing with this stuff. There's one right there. Stuck to that wire, don't need that. So that one's okay. this one's all taped up. Let's see if we can just undo the tape, because some of these tapes, yeah, there we go. So you see that one, right? Right there. So we'll zoom in. Okay, so we're going to use this liquid electrical tape. And here it is right here. Kind of messy and stinky. So just apply it right on there. This one I know I needed to put a little more. Put the bottle up there. Yeah, this one definitely needed more. And probably best to put a lot on the wires. There are still a lot of areas in here that got everywhere. Like, still looking. Yeah, it's stinky stuff. That there's bare wires, like the feeder common wires are a lot of them are all bare, so we'll go get a cleaner to get the solder flux off. So get a J cloth here, rubbing alcohol, and zoom you out a bit. So this is of course the spot we just soldered, and it's pretty good. So is it warm? No, it's cooled right off. So then we could put some of this liquid tape right on this sucker. A lot. Just coat it. Yeah, I got some on my hand. There we go. So there's some switches here I want to coat, because there's bare wires, right? And I want to make sure that bare wires, even on the switches, are coated and nothing will short out. Everything's working, so I know everything is properly wired. Everything working. So is there any more bare? Yeah, there's some bare right there. Like I said, some of the copper, there's some. The feeder common wires are bare. Yeah, I should have just had a different color there. Let's see, I'll put more on the brush here, because I don't think it's really going on that. There we go. So yeah, there was more there, more there. I could see more bare spots around that switch. Yeah, a lot of them are all coated nicely, I must say. Yeah, it's got a bit of a smell, but ooh, one more. Yeah, I think there's that switch right there. Needs a little more. Looking pretty good. Like, there's still bare wires here and there, but it's a mess in there because there's so many wires. Next layout will not have this kind of system. I wanted to build it because I've never done it before. That's why I did it. I just wanted to do it. Now that I'll look back and see how much work it took, yeah, we're not going to do that again. I think the only couple switches I'm going to have are manual switches above for switches, just a little toggle that look like real switches. And so yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing for the next layout, is just doing I will have a switch somewhere for to convert from DC to DCC, because I plan on maybe getting into DCC one of these days. And see, I have to zip tie some of these wires over here or over there, probably here. I'll zip tie them to this connector right here. This zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie everything. So yeah, we'll do that off camera, maybe on camera. So that's just a quickie I just wanted to do for you guys. So anyway, so yeah, take care and talk to you guys later. Bye bye.